Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IT and Automation Learners Hub. Today I will show you how to install Eclipse IDE in Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, open Chrome browser and let's download Eclipse IDE. In the address bar, type Eclipse download, hit enter. In the available links, click on the first link provided by eclipse.org. Here click on Eclipse IDE 2020-06 download 64-bit. Click on this option. Now click on the available download button. It will start downloading Eclipse in your system. See, if you observe in the bottom left corner, Eclipse is getting downloaded into your system. I am canceling this download process as I already have downloaded this Eclipse software. You please continue download. Once the download is complete, go to the downloads folder. Click on here. You can find in downloads folder, you can find the recently downloaded Eclipse installer file. So if you double click on this Eclipse installer file, it will start downloading Eclipse into your system. So double click on this Eclipse installer file. It will take a couple of minutes to install. Let me minimize this window, this folder. It takes some time to start installation. Click on the first option, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on install. Click on accept now to accept the Eclipse terms and conditions. Now the installation process has started. After installation, a shortcut will be created on your desktop and an entry also will be created in the start menu. Please note that, guys, before installing Eclipse in your system, the Java should be installed earlier. It will take a couple of minutes. To complete the installation process. Once the installation is done, a shortcut will be created on your desktop. It is taking bit longer time in my system. Basically, it will not take this much time. Click on accept. Yes, Eclipse has installed successfully. Click on launch button. See, if you observe, the shortcut has created on your desktop, and in the taskbar, the Eclipse icon also has created. Click on launch. Yes, it indicates that Eclipse has installed successfully. Let me close this window. I will show you how to create a program in Eclipse, Java program in Eclipse, and how to execute the program. Let's see how to create a program in Java, a Java program in Eclipse. So here you can, to create a Java program, to create and execute a Java program in Eclipse, first of all, we need to create a Java project. In Java project, we need to create a package, and in package, we need to create a class. So here we can create a Java project in 3 different ways. By clicking on this create a Java project link here, by clicking on this, we can create a Java project, or by going in file menu, we'll click on the file menu, and in new option, here also we can create a Java project, or here we can use a shortcut Alt Shift N. By pressing Alt Shift N and by using the down arrow, you can select, by using down arrow you can select Java project. I'm using shortcut Alt Shift N and use down arrow and select Java project option. Hit enter. Specify some project name. I'm specifying first project. first project. My first project. I'm specifying project name like my first project. Click on finish. Here it will ask to create a module name, create module info that is not required. Click don't create. So here your project in the left project in the project explorer in the left side, you can find my first project, the project what you have created. So now right click on the SRC folder. So here create a package now. So now we need to create a project. After creating project, we need to create a package. So to create package, we will right click on the SRC folder and click on new, and here we can select package. So in other way, we can also here also you can use the shortcut like Alt Shift N, press Alt Shift N and use your by using down arrow. Here we can choose package. So here specify the package name. Basically the package name should start with small lowercase letters. Again, my FIRST first underscore package. I'm giving package name my first package. Just click on finish. Package has created. Now we will create a class in which contains the main method, Java main method. We will create a class in this package which contains Java main method. To create a class, right click on the package and mouse over to new and mouse over to class and click on class. So like this, here we can create a class, or as previous we can use shortcut also Alt Shift N, use down arrow, select class and hit enter. Here specify the class name my first class. In Java, class name should start with uppercase letter and each word in the class name should start with uppercase letter. And click on this public static void main method. Check the public static void main method and click finish. So here it is creating. Here the class has created with the main method. Just delete this comment. And here I am typing system dot. So I'm just printing some message in this program, a sample message. So for that we will use the output statement, print statement. Here we use some shortcut SYSO, type SYSO, control space. No need to type control, no need to type complete system.out.println. I am showing one more time. Just press SYSO control space. So it will take automatically. Here let's type welcome to IT and automation learners hub. So this is the sample program I am creating. It will display the whatever message I have provided in this print statement. Now to execute this program, so we need to save the program. First we need to save the program, and then here on this run button, click on this run button, click on run as Java application. Okay, so without saving also we can try to run. At the time of execution it will ask to save. At the time also we can save the program. So this is the process of executing a Java program. on the run button. Click on the run button, down arrow beside the run button. Go to run as and click on run as Java application. So here also we can use a shortcut like Alt Shift X. After typing your program, just click on the shortcut is there, Alt Shift X. So in the bottom right corner you can find here. So how should I run? So here we need to run as a Java application. So here we can run this application. We can in Eclipse we can run Java applications in the form of TestNG test, or in the form of a Java application, or in the form of a TestNG suite. There are different ways of executing Java programs in Eclipse. So this program we need to run as Java application. So for that just again I'm showing Alt Shift X and press J. So it will ask to save the program. Just check this checkbox. It will not ask it again and again, and click OK. Now your program get executed. See, in the bottom it is showing the output. The first Java program has successfully executed in Selenium. Sorry, in Eclipse. First Java program has successfully executed in Eclipse. So like this here we use, we write and execute Java programs in Eclipse. So like this here we will download Eclipse IDE in Windows 10 operating system, and we can also write and execute Java programs in Eclipse IDE. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please click on the bell icon. Please like and share and comment. Thank you.